Having trouble accessing your Spectrum router settings? You're not alone. Many users face this issue, often due to incorrect admin credentials, network problems, or outdated router software. The first step is to verify your router's admin IP address. While the default is usually 192.168.1.1, some newer Spectrum routers, like the Aris DG1670A, use 192.168.0.1. Check the sticker on your router or use the ipconfig command in Windows or ifconfig on macOS Linux to find the correct IP. Next, ensure you're connected to your router's network, preferably via Ethernet for initial troubleshooting, as Wi-Fi can sometimes be unreliable. Open your web browser and type the admin IP into the address bar. If you still can't connect, clear your browser's cache or try using incognito mode to rule out any browser-related issues. Make sure the device you are using is connected to the network. If you're prompted for a username and password, and the default admin for both doesn't work, it's likely been changed. Before factory resetting, double-check if anyone else with access to the router may have changed the credentials. If you're locked out, a factory reset is often necessary. Locate the small, recessed reset button on your router. You'll need a paperclip or similar object. With the router powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds until the lights flash, indicating a reset. After the reset, you should be able to access the router settings using the default credentials. It's crucial to change these default credentials immediately to secure your network. Finally, for persistent issues, consider using the Spectrum Internet app, which now features AI-driven diagnostics to remotely troubleshoot access problems, including IP conflicts and outdated firmware. If problems persist, contact Spectrum support.